Hello friends. Today, we invite you on a journey, not just into the past, but into the hands, hearts, and souls of Britain's forgotten craftsmen. This is the story of old UK carpenters, the men who shaped wood, and in doing so, shaped Britain itself. Before factories, before mass production, before machines replaced hands, there were our ancestors. These carpenters were not just workers. They were fathers, grandfathers, and teachers. They did not inherit wealth. They inherited skill, and they passed it on. Like a sacred trust, from generation to generation, the craft lived on, not in books, but in hands. In the quiet towns and narrow streets of Britain, from the 1950s to the 1980s, every neighborhood had a small wooden workshop. You could smell the wood before you ever saw the door. Inside, the rhythm of a hand saw, the soft tap of a hammer, sunlight falling on wooden benches, tools hanging with purpose. This was not a shop. It was a place of dignity. There were no electric shortcuts, only hand saws, chisels worn smooth by time, wooden planes, calloused hands. Each tool had a history. Each scratch told a story. The carpenter knew the wood, its grain, its strength, its weaknesses. Wood was not forced, it was understood. A young boy did not become a carpenter in a day. First, he learned to observe, stay silent, respect the craft. Years passed before he touched real work. The master watched, not with words, but with eyes. Only when patience became skill, did the apprentice earn the title carpenter. These men were not rich, but they were respected. When a house needed a door, a table, a staircase, people trusted them. Their work lasted decades, sometimes longer than their own lives. Their craftsmanship became a living memory. Today, many of those workshops are silent. The tools rest unused. The masters are gone, but their legacy remains. In old houses, in wooden beams, in handmade furniture, still standing strong. This is not just nostalgia. This is identity. Efficient, cheap, but they lack something. The human soul. The old carpenters worked slowly, but with meaning. Every cut mattered. Every mistake taught a lesson. Progress should never mean forgetting where we came from. Small diamond. These carpenters built more than furniture. They built homes, communities, trust, pride. They taught us that true wealth is not money, but mastery. Small diamond. This documentary is a tribute to the forgotten hands that built Britain, to the carpenters of old UK, to our ancestors, to retro Britannia. If you felt this story, remember it, share it, and honor it, because a nation that forgets its craftsmen, forgets its soul.